Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from your Phantom wallet to your bank account. This is going to be a very easy and straightforward method. Make sure to watch the video until the end, like and subscribe if you find it useful. Now, since we can't transfer the money directly from our Phantom wallet to our bank account, we're going to use something called Swissborg, which is going to be an intermediate app that we can sign up for it in 5 minutes exactly. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the link in the description, or you can go down to the top link comment in the comment section below. From here, you're going to translate the website to any language you would like, and as you can see, there is the Gummy 5 code. You're going to copy that and sign up with that code, and once you do that, it will take almost 5 minutes, and you will get into the lottery ticket to win up to 100 euros in crypto rewards inside the application. Once you do that, let's get right into the video. Now that we have made our account, we're going to go to Swissborg itself and then go ahead and click on our portfolio. To do so, we're going to click on deposit, and then from there, we're going to click on crypto. Then we're going to go to, for example, Solana, and then we're going to copy the address from our Swissborg wallet. Right here, we're going to go back. Now we go back to our Phantom wallet, and then we're going to click on send, and then the cryptocurrency that we have chosen previously, which is for example Solana, and then click on next. Now, just for a test, I'm going to deposit $1, and then we're going to click on send. Once the send has been successfully, go back to our Swissborg wallet, and then we're going to go to our Solana that we have just received from our Phantom wallet, click on exchange, and then search for any fiat currency that you might like, either USD or euros. So for here, we're going to choose euros and then transfer around 5 euros. Once the exchange has been successful, we're going to withdraw that cash to our bank account. To do so, we're going to click this tiny button called withdraw on the bottom right, add whichever bank account you would like, choose whatever country that you live in, click on next, add the IBAN for your bank account, and then save the account, and then directly you can exchange that very easily. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.